Well, now in this question you can see the mixing of two representations. One is the bar chart, other one is the pie chart. So both representations are present in this question. So as you can see here that the bar chart is given. The horizontal axis, along the horizontal axis we have different subjects like physics, mathematics, chemistry, botany, psychology, economics. And along the horizontal axis we have the number of faculties in a particular subject. And the striped bars represent male faculty and the dotted bars represent female faculties. So that is the bar chart they have given. Along with that, one pie chart is also there. And in this pie chart you can see that the 10% of the faculty is within the age range 45 to 59 years. Now for 60 to 34 years range you have 20% faculty. Now 30% faculty is within the range 25 to 34 years and 40% faculty within the range 35 to 44 years. So it's combination of two representation, bar representation or bar chart representation and pie chart representation. So let's start. First question, how many physics professors belong to the age group 35 to 44? Now what you can see, the first thing you need to find that the total number of physics professors including male and female. Now if you refer to the bar chart you can see there are 32 male professors in physics and 8 female professors in physics. So the total number of physics professors is 32 plus 8, that is 40. Now, so out of these 40 professors, 40% of physics professors will be in the age group 35 to 44. That you can infer from the pie chart, that 40% professors are in the age group 35 to 44 years. So it means that 40% of 40 is 16. So that means that 16 physics professors in the age group 35 to 44. So that means option B is the right option. The next question, which of the following disciplines has the highest ratio of males to females? Now again, so the first way is the traditional way. Find out the ratio for any individual subject, each subject. So for physics find out, for economics find out, in that way you find out. And then you compare all the results to decide which option would be the correct one. But instead of doing so, what you can do, you can refer to this bar chart. Now the ratio of male and female faculties or professors must be greater when the height difference between these two bars would be greater. Now you can see that the height difference between the striped bar and the dotted bar is maximum for physics. So that means for physics the ratio between these female professors and the male professors must be maximum. So you don't need to consider the other subjects because that is clear from the graph or from the chart that gap or that height difference is maximum for physics. So straight away you can choose the right option, that is physics, or option A is the correct option in this case. Next one, what percentage of all psychology professors are females? Okay, so let us first find out that how many psychology professors are there. So total number of psychology professors is 6 plus 4, that is 10. 6 plus 4, that is 10. Now out of these 6, so out of these 10 professors, 6 professors are female. So that means the percentage wise it is 6 by 10 into 100, that is 60%. So that means 60% psychology professors are female. Next question. If the number of female physics professors in the age group 25 to 34 equals 25% of all the physics professors in that age group, then what is the number of male physics professors in the age group 25 to 34? Alright. So already we have seen that the total number of physics professors is 40. Now out of that 25%, now the number of female physics professors in the age group 25 to 34 equals the 25% of all the physics professors in that age group. Now in this age group 25 to 34, how many physics professors are there? So that is 30% of 40, the total number of physics professors. So 30% of 40 is 12. So out of this 12, 25% are female professors. So 25% of 12 is 3. So if 3 physics professors are female in the age group 25 to 34, so the number of male physics professor in the same age group must be 12 minus 3, and that is 9. So this is the way you have to solve. Next one. If the psychology professors in the university constitute 2% of all the professors in the university, then what is the number of professors in the university? So the question is that the psychology professors in the university constitute 2% of all the professors in that university. Only 2%. Then you have to find the number of professors in the university. So as it is clear from the bar chart that the total number of psychology professors is 6 female, 4 male. So that is 10. Now, so that means that 10 is basically 2% of the total number of professors in the university. So how many professors are there in the university? So that is very easy. Like if you calculate that 2 into P by 100, if you consider P as the total number of professors in that university, so this 2 into P by 100 must be equal to 10. So if you simplify, you will get P is equal to 500. So it means there are 500 professors in that university. So it means option B is the right option.